Bumtrest provides several different types of pulley lagging, such as plain rubber pulley lagging sheet, diamond rubber lagging sheet, and ceramic pulley lagging sheet. Each type of lagging sheet has different thickness, specification, suitable for different applications. Flame retardant and anti-static pulley lagging sheet are always available according to different customers' requirements. Our conveyor pulley lagging sheet rubber compound with CM layers and using high-strength adhesive special for metal and rubber. Bumtrest also provide on-site cold bonding service.